Hello, it's me. Boy, it is sure hot today, ain't it? Never wear black on a hot day, as people would say. Never wear black on a hot day, but doesn't matter what color clothes you wear. It's gonna be hot anyway. I'm just here by the old Hamlet train station, just making this video, showing you all my face turning red because it's so hot. hmm Uh, So I really don't know what to say in this video. I'm just showing you relaxing me on a hot day when you just wish cold weather, winter would come back. Man, I wish winter would come back real soon. I don't like hot weather at all. Don't like hot weather.